Hi, in this video you will hear some audio samples from the turntable from One by One with built-in speakers. The audio is currently being recorded using this Sony high-end D10 recorder. It is recording in stereo mode, so perhaps you will hear some perfect separation of left and right channel. The soundtrack I'll be playing is the side 2 Money from Dark Side of the Moon, the original pressing from 1973. And I will also play the same soundtrack from the remastered version from 2016. All right, let's get started. By the way, this thing also supports Bluetooth connection, but I prefer the internal one or the RC output with receivers. Okay, let's get started. One press to start or stop the spinning of the turntable. Now I'm gonna move the needle here. Make sure it is the first soundtrack. It is dampened, so I'm lowering the thing. I'll be monitoring the sound from my camera. Turn it up a little bit. I think that's enough. I'm gonna put on the original pressing. I'm sorry, the remastered version. To stop it, I simply raise the arm so it will gently go up. Put it in here. There's also a lock so it doesn't accidentally get bumped and scratch the disc or damage the needle. Now this is the 2016 version, the remaster. It is digitally remastered. It's not the original analog version anymore, but probably won't hear much of a difference. Okay, going back to the first track, lower the arm. It has a counterweight and a 33 RPM to 45 RPM selection. Okay, more details on this thing later. Okay, I think that should be enough, and we will also, let me stop it actually. I will show you what's in the back of this vinyl turntable. Actually, this thing is pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean it. And we'll play some The Great Gig in the Sky, which is the last track of the first side. I got 3 cats, so okay, this is perfect. All right, I'm gonna turn it around first. And of course, the tone arm, it has been raised, so it makes no contact with the record right now. It does have a phono and a line out, so I can connect this thing to a receiver with the phono preamp, bypassing the line out. But if you don't have a dedicated preamp, then you should select the line out. Otherwise, the volume would be pretty low. It also supports the aux input, so this built-in speaker can be used as a amplifier, I guess. But when this thing is connected to a 3.5 cable, the turntable will stop spinning. So you cannot use 2 devices at the same time. So it cannot be used as a mixer. The DC input is rated at 12 volts. The power consumption is very low, around 2 to 3 watts and 5 watts max on maximum volume. So long press to turn it on, another press, it will start spinning, lower. Watching. Hope you find this review helpful.